this. I was driving around, but I don't even know where I am. But anyway, look at it. They're doing like this corn. Oh my God, I never saw this before. Wow. They're mowing it all down. I've been seeing trucks full of this stuff. So that's what it is, all chopped up corn stalks. Look at that. Oh, these are good corn machines. So they got all this, tons of acres. I better get out of the way. I don't know where they're going. Oh, man, they're rocking and rolling. Hey, well, that was kind of neat. I'm somewhere outside of Willimantic. Somewhere between Willimantic and Scotland. And look at it, cool. It's like a monster back there. It's amazing. Anyway, I better get to where I was going.